welcome back to Hot Rod Guy Garage, and today we're going to go over to see Eastern Hot Rodder and Flat Broke Garage at the Extra-Caricular car show put on by Eastern Hot Rodder. So follow along with me through the intro, and I'll be back. Well guys, it's not a great day for a car show, but it's supposed to quit raining, so let's see how nasty we can get the green Torino, because it's not been drove in some months. Got it cleaned up this morning. So let's get it dirty again by driving in the rain. And when I say driving in the rain, it probably don't look like it to you guys, but it's sprinkling pretty lightly. The rain's supposed to be out here for the time of the show, but the roads are still wet and very dirty. So let's get to it. Well, the weather ain't got no better yet, so I don't know if you can see, but flip it around. Yep, still pretty nasty. Well, the weather's cleared up a little bit. We just crossed through North Carolina, and hopefully it'll keep clear. I doubt it though. We'll see. And alright guys, I'm back home. The 71 done well, Considering it's been sitting for a while, no problems. Uh, Next video should be on the 70 Torino. Hopefully the weather will hold out for Tuesday and we can get some track passes on my new tires. So if you like this kind of video, make sure you hit that like button, share it with your friends. Make sure you comment down below if there's anything you see or would like to know any more about. It was good to see my friend Bill from Flat Broke Garage, John from Eastern Hot Rodder, Phillips Rum Drip and Bubble Company, and a few other people that I've not seen in a while. So until the next video, guys, I'll see you at the next one. Thanks for watching.